Hello children, today we are going to do a chapter in your journal knowledge, Holy Places. You will learn about some of the famous sites of pilgrimage which draw lots of visitors every year. Let us see the first one. The first one is the Church of Wittenberg, which is in the city of Wittenberg and lies on the Elbe River, southwest of Berlin, Germany. In 1517, religious reformer Martin Luther challenged the ideas of the Catholic Church by nailing a list of questions called the 95 Theses on the door of the castle church in Wittenberg, starting a movement called the Protestant Reformation. Now children, to make it more clear, I will tell you that in 1517, Martin Luther published his 95 Theses. It was an attempt to get rid the Roman Catholic Church to stop selling indulgences. Indulgences were actually taking money to make a person free of their sins. So the church was taking money to make people free of their sins. Martin Luther condemned this corruption of the Roman Catholic Church, especially the papal practice of asking payment, called indulgences, for the forgiveness of sins. So, since then, the Protestant Reformation started. Reformation means reforms. Let us come to the next. Mecca, a city in Saudi Arabia, is the holiest of Muslim cities. Mecca is the place where Muhammad, the founder of Islam, was born and received knowledge that was later written down in the Quran. You know, Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. All devout Muslims attempt a Hajj or a pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in their lifetime. No non-Muslims are allowed in Mecca. Lumbini. Let us read about Lumbini now. Lumbini is a grove near the southern border of modern-day Nepal. In the place where the founder of Buddhism, Siddhartha Gautama, was born between the 6th and the 4th centuries BC. There are several sacred monuments located here, such as Pushkarni, the pond where Siddhartha was bathed after being born. The site is a popular place of Buddhist pilgrimage. The next holy place that we are going to do is the Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest city in the world. It is a seat of Roman Catholic Church and is situated on the west bank of the Tiber River. It is in Italy. It is the world's smallest fully independent nation. The Vatican City has a lot to its credit and is well known for the things that are present there, or the architectural design of the city is indeed excellent. It has its own telephone system, post office, gardens, astronomical observatory, radio station, banking system and pharmacy. as well as a contingent of Swiss guards. Contingent here means an army of Swiss guards responsible for the personal safety of the Pope since 1506. Pope is recognized as the highest religious authority of the Roman Catholic Church. The next one that we are going to do is the Western Wall. The Western Wall, also called the Wailing Wall or Kotel, in the old city of Jerusalem, Israel. It is a pilgrimage site sacred to the Jews. The Western Wall is part of an earlier wall of an ancient Jewish temple. It measures about 15 meters long and about 20 meters high. Visitors write their petitions and prayers on small pieces of paper and insert these papers into the cracks between the stones. So they must be putting these papers on which they write their prayers, thinking that God will grant them. It is their faith that God will grant their prayers. The next one is the Golden Temple, also known as the Sri Harmandir Sahib. It is an important pilgrimage site for Sikhs and is located in Amritsar, Punjab. The first Harmandir Sahib was built in 1604 by Arjan Dev, Guru Arjan Dev, the fifth Sikh Guru. The temple was destroyed several times by Afghan invaders, and because of this, it was finally rebuilt in marble and copper, overlaid with gold foil during the reign of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. It was built between the year 1801 to 1839. It is indeed a marvelous piece of architecture design and is a wonderful piece of design to look at. It attracts so many people, so many Sikhs from around the world. Let us come to the next one, the Shrine of Bab. Located on Mount Carmel, Haifa, Israel, is a pilgrimage site for followers of the Baha'i faith. The shrine is a burial place of Mirza Ali Muhammad of Shiraz, popularly known as Bab, who founded the Babi religion, which later gave birth to the Baha'i faith in the 1800s. Children, let us see some quick quiz based on these holy places. Number 1. Where was Mahavir, the founder of Jainism, born? He was born in Vaishali, Bihar. Where is Shatrunjaya, the most important pilgrimage site for Jain monks, located? It is located in Gujarat. In which country is Adams Peak mountain located, where a large hollow resembling the print of a human foot is venerated by Buddhists, Muslims and Hindus? This place, that is the Adams Peak mountain, is located in Sri Lanka. Name the world's largest religious structure. It is in Angkor Wat. Which is the most visited Hindu temple in India? It is the Tirupati temple in India, which is well known. Children, you have done about these temples and I hope you have understood. The last that you have done is the most visited Hindu temple. It is the Tirumala Tirupati temple in India.